Hey everyone, it's Kiri here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use lighting in a 3D scene. So where to find the lighting is you click the plus layers button and you click light. Now the three options are point, spot, directional. So point basically puts the lighting somewhere and all the lighting points out in all directions, as you can see. Spot is where the lighting's in one spot and it aims from that position and captures everything. Directional is when the lighting directs at one point. So for now, I'm just going to use spot. So what I've done is I've added a cube rotation just so we can have a feel with what the lighting is like. Now, with lighting, the ambience is really important, as this is basically what the layer's lighting is already. So if I put it down, it's basically a black layer, and this lighting shows the image. So with the ambience, I'm just going to put it quite low, as I still want it to be a bit visible. Now if you go into the lighting layer and click keyframe and you go to spotlight, this is where you can actually change the intensity of the light and the radius. So I'm going to put the radius just enough to cover the front and the brightness around 70. So you can also add a feather, but for now I'm just going to leave it. And you can also change the color of the lighting. So now when I slowly move it, you can see that the sides of the cube are actually quite dark because the lighting's actually not in view of it. So this makes advanced 3D edits look really great. Now what you can also do is transform the light and you can position it to wherever you want. So as you can see, this is the light, it's over here, and it basically goes all the way down this way. So if I want the lighting to be up the top, I can move the position up and I can rotate it down. So now you can see the lighting from the top view. So now if I go to my default, the lighting's at the top, and you might need to increase the radius or the intensity and move it down further. So that's how you use lighting, and I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.